Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know, now you do. And today's video is all about some really awesome leather goods. Like I said in my last video, I love leather goods. I have no qualms about buying a leather bag. That's fine if you don't. Totally fine. However, I love leather bags. I like how long they last, like how durable they are. I like that, you know, they're just easy to care for, especially if you choose your leather correctly, or not correctly, but well, I guess. This video is sponsored by Teddy Blake, who makes really awesome leather goods. In fact, they sent me a few months ago an Eliza tote. I chose the 12-inch one, and she has been my go-to bag for any time I need to haul anything around with me. Alright, so here she is. This is the 12-inch Eliza. I carry her everywhere. Usually my laptop is also in here. I did empty some of the stuff that I carry out because it is heavy, and I wanted to be able to lift it nice and high for you guys. So as you can see, the handle is adjustable, and there is like this bit here where it like protects your shoulder so it doesn't dig in, which is awesome because I walk around downtown with this bag a lot, and it's nice that it doesn't dig in as I'm walking with all my crap back and forth between a parking garage and the store. I pretty much only use this bag now, unless I'm just going out, and then I just throw my stuff in a small bag. But yeah, this thing just comes everywhere with me. You can get the Eliza tote in a smaller size as well, which is, this is the 12-inch, and there's a 9-inch available. My laptop fits in the 12-inch one, which is precisely why I picked it out. So if you're actually looking for a leather bag or maybe some giftable items for your friends and family, and you're looking for some good Black Friday deals, Teddy Blake is a really good place to go. They're linked in the description. Their website is teddyblake.com. I'll put it on the screen here. And to be honest, they just make really awesome bags. I'm drooling over a few others. I will share some of my top picks with you. Obviously, I don't have them here because I don't need that many bags, but I will screenshot some favorites and share them with you. So let me show you my favorites besides the Eliza. So if you are looking for smaller leather goods, or SLGs as people call them, Teddy Blake has card holders, like little card holders, and wallets as well. They have them in a bunch of colors too. You can pretty much match your bag to your wallet to your card holder all the way across. Not all colors are available, but there's so many that are. I'm on their website right now. Accessories, yes. Okay, so I'm in love with the army green color that they have in the card holder. There's also a gold brown, which is really interesting. A light blue. Oh, there's a spring green, which is beautiful. There is also, they have gold brown and army green in the zip wallets, the sky blue, there's a beautiful orange, it's so bright. I think getting a bright colored wallet is an interesting choice. I say this all the time to people, but when you carry a big purse and it's deep and it's like a black hole, getting a brightly colored wallet is a genius idea because you're gonna find it in the bottom, right? And it's so nice. So yeah, if you're looking for small leather goods, definitely give them a look. Also, I'm really interested in their mini bags. So like I said, you can get the Eliza tote in both a 12-inch and a 9-inch size, and the tiny 9-inch size ones look so interesting to me, and the suede versions. Oh my god, they just look so beautiful. So they have this one called Goldenrod, which is sort of like a mustard, and oh my god, it's just beautiful. Also, there is, again, I'm on their website right now, I'm basically shopping with you guys. There is this dark forest green color, just called green, and it's in suede, and then the bottom is also, like, the edge is also suede. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I want it so bad. I'm not going to get it because even though I want it, I know my laptop won't fit in it, so I won't use it as often, which is precisely why I didn't buy it for myself. But it's still beautiful and I can still admire it from afar, and one of you guys might want it, so check it out. What else? Oh, there is also the Bella line. So there's two different versions, or maybe a few, and they come in different sizes too. So there's a 10-inch, then a 12 and a 15, and I am eyeing up the Bella Pomeletto in, maybe, no, it is the 15-inch. I want the 15-inch because it's gigantic. So there's a black version, or a black and red version of the Bella Vitello, and a black version of the Bella Pomeletto. I'm really bad at pronouncing things. And these ones both have like a huge opening in the middle and then zippered pockets on the sides, which I think is awesome and a good use of space. I hate bags when they put like pockets down across the middle to like hold it in. That's such a waste of space. I need that open space. So anyway, those are, you know, my top picks. There's so many other options. There is the Ava, which is just like super grown up collection, or like looking. You can get it with like a mock croc pattern, and oh, the orange one. Oh, I'm dreaming of this orange color. I would never wear orange or carry orange, but I just like looking at it. So they come in like 9 inches or 11 inches, so you get a lot of choice, and they're, you know, I've seen bags, like some luxury leather goods are like thousands of dollars and these are not, which, you know, is quite nice to see, especially when it's like Italian leather. They're made in Italy. I enjoy that they're making leather goods and luxury leather more accessible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Teddy Blake for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate your continued support. Also, I am absolutely in love with my Eliza bag. I carry it everywhere, so I actually appreciate this sponsorship a whole heck of a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking around. If you do get a bag or something like that for Christmas, or you buy it for somebody else, let me know. I'd love to know what you picked out because there's so much option on there and at really great prices in comparison to, you know, other luxury brands. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Lost my train of thought. I will see you guys very soon. Bye!